Hi everyone, this is Kalyan Kumar and welcome back to Product Review. Today I want to show you how you can use your phone as a webcam for your PC. Now you might be wondering, why would you want to use your phone as a webcam? Well, it turns out that the camera on your phone is probably better than the webcam that you're using. If you have a laptop, the integrated webcam quality tends to be pretty poor. We're going to install two apps, one on the PC and then one on your phone to make this work. It doesn't matter if you're using Windows, Mac or Linux, or if you are on an iPhone or an Android phone. It'll work irrespective of which combination you have. To do this, we will install the Iriun app, I-R-I-U-N, on both the computer and the phone. The reason I like this app so much and the reason I recommend this is that it is entirely free and that you will also get a full resolution image from your phone to your PC. So let's jump back on the PC and I'll show you how you could do this. Here I'm on my PC and as a first step, we need to install the app on your computer. So let's head over to the website iriun.com. Once you land on the website, you can download the app and just like I said earlier, you could get it for Windows, Mac or Ubuntu. So whichever one you have, go ahead and click on it. In my case, I'm running Windows, so I'm going to click on Windows. Once you click on it, you should see a browser initiate a download and click on the file. Once it is finished downloading, it will pop up a license agreement. Click on I accept and then click on next. Then choose a folder where you want to put this. I'm going to leave it on the default location. Click next and finally click install. Now that it is finished installing, it will ask you if you want to start the Iriun web server. I'm going to click on finish and start it. And right out of that, it is going to tell me that there is currently no phone available. And that is because we need to install it on our phone also. So let's jump over to our phone and install the app there. As you can tell, I'm using an iPhone, but you could also be using an Android phone, and this will work there as well. Click on the App Store in the iPhone, and if you're on an Android phone, click on the Play Store. Once you click on the store, let's search for the app, and once you search for it, you should see the best match appear for Iriun webcam. Install the app. On opening the app, I can see the image on the phone from my rear camera of the phone. You can flip the image between the front and the rear camera. You could also toggle your phone's flashlight on or off. There's not really too much you can do on the app on the iPhone. You can also see the Iriun app on the PC show the same image as the phone. Now, one thing to make sure is that the phone and the computer should be on the same network. On the PC app, you can choose the default format for video, all the way from the lowest, which is very low resolution, and all the way up to 4K, which my phone can support. I'm going to just go with 1920 by 1080. Remember that higher the resolution is, the more bandwidth it's going to take, and you will see a little bit more latency on your screen. So this looks pretty good to me. Now I'm going to close the app for now and let me open Zoom. Under cameras, you will clearly see Iriun webcam listed. Let me click on that and there you see my preview. So Zoom can now use this as its webcam. And the best part, you can also use this webcam in OBS, just like any other webcam. One of the major advantages of using the mobile phone camera as a webcam is that you can move around in the house and use the phone camera to show things which otherwise would be difficult to show using the integrated webcam. Moreover, if you want the multi-camera setup, then you don't need an additional webcam, as your smartphone itself can act as one, and that too with as high a resolution as you want. Alright, well, that was a quick look at how you could use your phone as a webcam for your PC. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see future videos like this, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you will get a notification anytime new content like this comes out. And lastly, if you want to see me cover any other videos in the future, leave a comment down below. That is how I build my list of videos to create. Well, that's all I have for you today. I hope to see you next time. Goodbye and thanks for watching.